Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melina from Me Crafty Scrapper on Instagram and here on YouTube. I'm also the co-owner of Scrapbookingwithme.com with my mom, E. And she is Scrapbooking with Me Crafts here on YouTube. I wanted to come on today. I know it's been a while since I've made a video. It's been, I don't know, a long time. But it's because we have been sick here in our home. I know some of you already know what's been going on. My husband came down with a sore throat, a little bit of a fever, tried to go to his doctor, and they sent him elsewhere to have virus testing done. And it turns out that he did test positive, and so we have been cooped up in our house for 2 weeks now, and we're coming out of quarantine, and it's been rough. It was a rough go there for a couple of days. And so I've really just now, from either taking care of him or me being sick and feeling like I was on death's door, I've just now really gotten the oomph to be able to get in here and finish a project and start a video. So I appreciate your patience, and I apologize for my absence. And I was on a roll for a long time, and then it came to a screeching halt just because of the virus that's decided to come to our house. But anyway, we are doing better. I might cough in this, and I might sound out of breath. It's just the effects of the virus, and we're trying to, live our lives and get over it. But I think the heaviness as far as breathing and stuff is going to be with us for a while. But I wanted to show you, I am running behind. I wanted to show you that I have finished my August journal, junk journal, whatever you want to call it, faith journal, but it does have more than just faith-based entries. It's my little mini scrapbook for the month of August. And this is from Coco Daisy. This is the Simple Dory. And it's just, let me get you, let's see. It comes just with a craft front and back like this. So I covered it with some of the planner papers. And this one, I lined the whole thing, front and back. And then this blue, I just turned it sideways and did like a little sleeve kind of like on there. Put some washi tape and then some of the puffy stickers. And then I stamped some there, and with the roller stamp from Coco Daisy that came quite a few kits back, but I use it all the time. And stamped on the top just to show that this is the August Traveler's notebook that I finished for the month. And that was the beautiful bag that came in the kits. So when you open up, I just got one of the 3x4 cards that come in the pocket memory keeping kit, and a die cut and some washi. And then just use my own hand lettering on the front. That's blank, and I just wrote that in. And then first pages our kids on our trip to the beach. We went to Gulf Shores. End of July, 1st of August, in that week. And I used some washi tape here. This piece here is actually some of the backer board from the packaging in the kits. And there's another die cut, taken view. And then this is another one of the 3x4 cards. These things can be used for so much more than pocket memory keeping. I use all of my cards in my Simple Dory too. So if you see something that you really love in the pocket memory keeping kit, don't hesitate to get it, because you don't have to be a pocket memory keeping person that only does scrapbooking to use that kit. And then I just added some washi there, and that was a very simple layout to commemorate that little picture on the beach. The next layout doesn't have one picture on it. It was just some stickers that I used from, I think that is the Daisy Weeks subscription. And I put some things that we needed to do for August down, which I did pretty good. There's only 2 things that are still being done right now. This was already in there. That's already in there. The artwork in Cocoa Daisy's kits is just wonderful. I added stickers and die cuts, and then I did, you know, my layout. So very easy. This one I just shared on Instagram. I try to have one page in my Simple Dory for that month that has a faith base to it. This is my currently page. And I just added some stickers and stamps, and then added one of those tabs and wrote on there currently. And then the back side of that tab says first day, and this is our daughter, her first day of her junior year in high school. And use some more die cuts, some of the little phrase stickers, and then the puffy star sticker there and there, and use that roller stamp again with some washi at the top of this. And I ran this through my printer after I typed out what I wanted on the computer and printed that out. I like how that journaling ended up. This is one of the tab stickers. It's double-sided and it's got a hinge. And that's, I put that there just so that it would kind of, my odd number rule. I got 3 on the side there. And then this one has also been shared on Instagram. This is for one of my design team obligations for the blog, Cocoa Daisy blog. And I used a lot of the phrase stickers and die cuts, and added this scrap paper to go along with that page, and then splattered some ink and used some of the puffy stickers to make out my title. And then that's another one of those hinge stickers, and then that's an acrylic piece with a puffy sticker beside it. This one has not been shared on Instagram yet, and I will share all of these. I just hadn't got around to it. That one hasn't either. But this one, did I really do that? I really actually took a picture of food instead of a picture of me and my husband when we had a date, a lunch date. I guess that's where we are in our marriage. Oh, I can't stop. I can't start laughing. I'll start coughing. So I tore one of the 3x4 cards out here and got it so it would fit there. This book is so thick. It's coming out from the stapled spine. It's so big and chunky. I added some washi here, a sticker, another sticker, and then another one of those hinged stickers. This is a clear sticker from the Daisy Weeks that I added there and just put a little heart there. I think those came from the same sheet in that Daisy Weeks sticker sheet. And then a puffy sticker. This is a piece of the kit papers, and then that's also kit papers that I just kind of glued down and then pulled up the edges just to give it a little distressing. And I used that roller stamp again there. Die cut another puffy sticker. Those brisket tacos from Buffalo Wild Wings was amazing. They were really, really good. Had a different kind of sauce on it too. It's very good. Puffy stickers again there. That's probably one of my favorite little layouts. Other than that, there, I really like how that turned out. This one is very simple. I used one of the 4x6 cards out of the pocket memory keeping kit and just cut it in half and put some washi down and then halved it on the pages and did some stamping and put on a die cut and a couple of puffy stickers. That's more little die cuts there. And then that is a sticker, I think from the, yeah, it's from the memory keeping sticker kit. Always stay positive. So that's an easy little layout there. This one was also a design team obligation, and it's been posted on the Coco Daisy blog and my Instagram account. And this August was our daughter's birthday month, so she took center stage in my Simple Dory. And I have a YouTube video also about this layout and about how I made these little heart embellishments and hand sewn the little spines on them. Die cuts and more stamping. And I printed the picture, the length of the page, and added a little cluster of die cuts and things there, and used the little Tim Holtz tiny attacher. That's another one of those hinged stickers. So he's going to be on both sides, and see, look how it's coming apart. I'm going to have to re-staple it once I get through showing y'all. This was also one of the Christine's sample layouts that she sends with the Traveler's Notebook keeping kit. Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. And she has little layouts on paper in there, giving us, you know, kind of like a guide to do a layout. And I used the vellum there, and then just cut out some circles, and those were already cut out, die cuts, and then just did a little bit of journaling, and that was that for that layout there. And then this, I couldn't help but document this. I document food a lot. It is one of my loves after all. But my kids, it had been a rough day, and my kids knew that it had been, and they went, and my daughter cut tomatoes and actually made the sandwich. It was so good too, and I just got to sit in my recliner and eat it for lunch. It was wonderful. So that's why I am documenting that. I put some layers behind it and used some die cuts and puffy sticker, and that puffy sticker went really well with what I was thinking for that day. I still need to add the date to that. I'll look on my phone and get that exact date, and I will stamp here with that roller stamp. And then this one is talking about a few things that we'd been going through at the end of August. And it's like everybody needs to stay home and quarantine and all that. And it was really rough trying to explain that to our son. Some of you know he is 20 years old and autistic. And it was rough trying to explain to him why we had to stay home for so long. I'm just so glad that he or his sister, either one, got any symptoms whatsoever. They are good. Both of them are really good. Thank the Lord. So we're finally out of coming out of quarantine, and we can walk out and walk out of the house and drive down the road if we want to, and that's wonderful. So this is a die cut, another die cut, a tab die cut there. I added washi to the edge of each page and added some of the kit paper there in the middle. And then this is a 3x4 card, And this is a 3x4 card. And then I just cut it and put that on top of that one and added the rest of that one here. Then, of course, I didn't want to do anything to that page because it already came like that. So I just added some important dates from the month and things that we had done. Puffy stickers there. And I put, don't let tomorrow's worries cloud what could be today's many blessings. To borrow worry is to lack the faith needed for everyday living. I thought that was a good saying for what we've been going through here lately in our house. And then this one, I wanted it to look like the pictures were just on there with the washi tape, which they're not. I did put a little bit of ATG back behind them just so that they would stay. And then I used that same roller stamp again, and that's another 3x4 card. And I just journaled about what the pictures are about. I'm not weird. I'm limited edition. Well, maybe we are a little weird because we act really, really weird when we have ice cream. And then last is my song lyric therapy. And I added a 4x6 card. This is a 3x4 card. Did my own hand lettering there. Added some die cuts. And then I just thought this was neat. Printing and then doing a hand letter of, you know, what my print was. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know he watches me. And I added that tag die cut, good stuff, some more die cuts there. I added some washi to the bottom, and I just drew those two music notes. And that is the end of the August Traveler's Notebook, or Simple Dory. And I will be getting my stapler and going in the middle here and stapling down and getting that good and stapled down again, just because it's coming apart. Because when I try to use the glue, that art glitter glue, it tends to make the pages stick together too much. So I'll try to get my stapler out and get that put back together. But I love how chunky it is for August. I love everything that I put in there. I really like how it come out. And some of these look like they're sticking out a little bit further than they should, and it's just because they have come out off of the spine. And I will get those re-stapled and get that looking a little bit better, and that way I don't lose any pages. But that is my August Simple Dory filled up, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And I will, Lord willing, be back to my regularly scheduled program. I guess if there is one, to 3 days a week doing videos and posting them. I appreciate y'all's patience with me, and those that have commented saying that you're praying for us, I appreciate it so much. I believe that we came out of this as well as we did because of prayers, and I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. If you are not a subscriber, please do so and give me a thumbs up on this video and leave me a comment below. I appreciate y'all so much. Bye, y'all.